tapos training ka pa sa gabi. And actually, there have been a lot of stories like that na nakakapunta sila actually dun sa Evo. Na there's this one guy that I've seen a small documentary about him. He is a father of two, and he works from 9 to 5, and then he trains at night from let's say 8 p.m. to 3 to 2 a.m. there on America, and then he repeats it every single time, and then he actually got a shot at going into the semifinals, or even I think the semifinals of Evo by doing that kind of cycle. I mean, it just shows that you gotta be a different kind of animal when it comes to competing in these types of games, especially in a tournament sense. You gotta have that game-winning mentality.
Yes. And speaking of the game-winning mentality, we are about to go into the second broadcasted match for the top 16. It is Alyssa versus Paul. Judo versus absolutely insane chainsaws and missiles and basically a robot.
We have Egoism on the Alyssa, and we have QQQ on the Paul. Beautiful entry right there. Good chip damage early on, but close, man. Grabe yung lows nung pinapakita ni Alyssa. Munti ka ng mga lahati yung buhay dito ni QQQ right now. Oh my goodness!
Beautiful tornado there. Okay, naglabas na siya ng chainsaw. Dinali niya na nga sa lows. C-in. QQQQ.
Grabe, QQQ. Nagulat din siguro siya dun, no, na pinakita ni Alyssa. Beautiful launcher right there into the sequence. Heat is available going into the continued juggling. Will he be able to wall splat? Ayan na nga. Continuous pa rin yung damage. Goes with the half health already. Hindi na niya ata ito mababawi real quick. Grabe yung aggression na pinapakita ni Egoism. Isang hit na lang, kuya. Ako po, QQQ, gulatin mo kami. Gulatin mo kami.
Gulatin mo kami! Sayang.
Yeah.
Sayang. Pero okay lang yan, okay lang yan. First round pa lang tayo, mga kaibigan. This is going to be the first point of the match. Tignan natin kung kayang ibawi ito ni QQQQ or i-download nyo muna yung moveset ni Egoism tulad ng ginawa ni Zero Drive kanina. Pero, may bagtot pa!
Ayan tuloy!
Engage na tuloy!
Ayan tuloy! Ay, binalikan na nga! Grabe, balik-balikan sila dito, partner!
Bang!
Grabe!
Pasabog ka tuloy!
Grabe, I just love seeing people na gumagawa nung kay Alyssa, partner. Parang alam mo yun, the ultimate taunt siya para sa mga kalaban mo.
Yung akala mo taunt yun pala, you know.
Ay na, bomba.
Papasabugin na pala kita, sorry.
Pasensya na.
Maligo.
Pero yun, talagang nagulat nga talaga si QQ dun, and kailangan niya bawi dito real quick para makapag-advance pa siya sa ating tournament. Pero Egoism is still retaining that kind of aggression. Good launch right there. Egoism goes for the string, goes for the wall splat, continuous damage and onslaught onto the Heat. Grabe yung Heat usage dito, mama. Pero yun, grabe pa rin yung pressure na pinapakita niya sa QQQ right now. Gets locked in the air and gets down.
You know, ang mapapansin mo dito kay Alyssa, not only is she fast, she hits extremely hard. Pero ganun din kasi si Paul, but in the sense na he hits extremely hard, pero ang trade-off mo dun is kailangan puro counter ang ginagawa mo kasi mabagal si Paul as a fighter, in all honesty.
And actually right now, pinakita na nga once again ni Egoism kung paano niya manipulate yung ganong klase ng information na alam nga niya na mabagal si Paul. Pero yun, retaliating once again kahit tumama yung hit ni QQQ right here, hindi pa rin talaga sapat para sa ginagawa ni Egoism na onslaught ng aggression right here. Wow!
Oh
my
God! Perfect! Grabe yun! Match point kagad, mga kaibigan! Tapos na kagad sila!
Egoism talaga, pero mukha namang wala siyang ego, pero grabe. Yung kanyang ginawa doon sa kanyang kalaban, deserves a little bit of ego talaga kasi grabe yung alis niya, partner.
Ayokong tumapat doon.
Parang
ayoko talaga.
Parang nangihina na ako maglaro ng rank game.
parang magandang itapat si Zero Drive tsaka si Egoism. Magkasagutan sila ng playstyle. Diyos ko.
Grabe yung aggression. Talagang hindi tinantanan yung lows para ma-open up yung highs and mids ni QQQ doon. Kaya, oh my. I'm speechless sa kanyang pinakita doon. Talagang masasabi nating he held back a few couple of rounds no mga early, and then he released. I think magkakaroon na tayo ng onting ng sequence dito sa mga players natin na hihinaan nila sa umpisa, tapos magbabato sila ng sobrang lakas ng mga combos in the end.
Yes. And mapapansin mo, parang almost zero delay
Yeah.
Yung kay yung egoism Alyssa combo, di ba?
Grabe yun.
Nakakapangilapot yun, man.
To the point na wala ka nang magagawa kung hindi umupo ka na lang doon. Kung naka-joystick man, nakaganyan ka na lang. Kung naka-controller ka man, nakaganon ka na lang. It's like, okay, sige.
Naunta lang ako. Sige.
Tama
Okay
na. Okay, gets ko na. Pero ayun, thank you once again to sa mga players natin kanina. Egoism, congratulations kay QQQQ. Bawi ka na lang sa susunod. And thank you once again to Giga Arena 20. Join these tournaments and games with the